Bad on me. No videos today. I was really off, but that's because we were trying to move along. So it's Tuesday. Made good progress. Waterfall stream is underway. Lots of plants got in. We got some beautiful hollies back here that are in. We've got a whole bunch of other plants are in. Stuff out front, looking down the side, is in, sorted. Tomorrow we will have this buttoned up. We will have a good portion of some of the additional plants in, and probably place our lights. I'm not going to wire them everything because we need the sprinkler guy in here. We need the mason in here. And thinking about it, they ain't going to love us because this is their access point and it's all rocks. But hey, no videos. First thing in the morning, I was like, oh, I'm going to get video. Let me get one going. And the guys were working on cleaning up grass and getting stuff moved around. And I got up there and helped them a bit with stuff. I'm falling asleep because it's Tuesday. 2 for Tuesday. So, hope you're enjoying everything. We are doing the mason's work. Mike and I broke the concrete up. He is working on moving it up front because they're not going to be back. And I want to plant. I want to get done. Got the sprinkler guy here looking at it. Ricardo's digging out a deep hole to bury the mason in. John's using some dirt to get this spill and stream finished up here. I am gonna go in the back here. I got to do some foaming, but they just got their plants, so I've got to get the plants in, and their fish came today, so I'm gonna get both of those, and we're gonna get a lot of this buttoned up in the next couple hours. Take most of the water outside, Dan. Yeah. Because it's going to have way different nitrogen. Dan is draining the water out, so we're going to put the fish in. We just got all the aquatic set in there for them. So it's a little murky, but give it a couple hours to clear up. Whole family affair. Everyone is now here to see it.
Ready? Yeah. Let me know when you're ready.
We are ready.